Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I'm here today with journal number 5 from my Etsy restock. This journal is a little bit smaller than the last one that I made. It only measures about 1.5 inches across, but there are 3 signatures in here, so there's still lots of room for journaling. It's 8 inches high by 5 inches across, and I made this with a hardcover book. I put some beautiful scrapbook paper. I'm into the flowers this summer, so I made this one with again with this flower theme. And on the side I've got the exposed stitching for the spine, a little applique flower with a little bead in the center, and I've got these dangling beads and a little charm on the side. And again, you can remove this with the lobster claw and attach it to your purse or whatever you wish if you don't want to keep it on the journal. And here's the back. Again, it's the same paper as I used on the front. And this one, the tie is a little different. It's a lobster claw, but you can also adjust the thickness as you fill the journal, because this is just the ribbon that's wrapped around the lobster claw, and then I just shape a bow so that I can adjust the width as I go. So for now I can just remove the lobster claw from the loop and I can open the album. Inside I've got some lace in a beautiful velour type fabric, and it's got a little bit of gold thread in there. I don't know if you can see that. And this beautiful paper was a King Company paper, and it's got some glitter on there. Really pretty. And I punched the edge of these signature covers. So I'll just take you through it quickly. I've got again my tea dyed papers and some graph paper, and then some lined paper and a plastic pocket. I like these plastic pockets because they're handy for holding little mementos. And here I've got in the middle just a pocket. And then it's repeated. And on the back I stitched to form a pocket. And here's the next signature. I put a little different border on this one. Again with the tea stained paper. Here I've got a doily pocket, and it extends to the inside and the very back of the signature. Another pocket. There's lots of room for journaling. There's the back of the signature with the doily. I ironed the tea dyed paper again. Today I'm drying some tea stained paper outside. I'm going to see what it looks like if I don't put it in my oven, because I know if you get a book wet, the pages will all bubble up, and I like the look of that. So I'm hoping that that will replicate on my paper, and I want to use that in the mixed media album or a mixed media journal that I'll be making next. So there's another pocket. And another beautiful paper with the glitter. Pocket here. And then I finish off, I've got just a plain envelope, and you can journal on that. So there's no stamping, not much in the way of images, so that this album can be customized by whoever gets it. Again, beautiful paper on the back, and I love this velour type fabric. I'll show you the charms up a little closer. Some of this was from some pieces of jewelry that I had, and there's a little leaf here, or a little flower. So I hope you have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.